Hi guys, are you hungry? This is what they do when they're hungry. Anyway, I forgot to make an intro for this video yesterday, so hello guys, welcome back. And yeah, you saw yesterday we did some cleaning in the shop. We actually got that whole loft cleaned out for the most part. There's some heavy items up there we gotta get once we can get the skid loader completely in the shop. Hey, there's that Teflon tape. I lost it. Whoa, watch out, chickens. That's a precious commodity. We're not like Cola Cornstar and got it laying around everywhere. I'll put it up there then. Alright. Alright, guys. We got our chicken water set up here finally. Took me 4 times going from here to the shop with this. Every time it was this cup that was leaking up here. So every time I'd go, cut it off, drill a new hole, screw it in, and we got to this point where it was gonna be the last time if we did it, and it finally worked. So they're still learning how to use it. They still gotta learn how to stick their beak in there and they'll actually get water from it, so. It doesn't take them long, a couple days, but you know, this water's empty, so it helps stimulate them to learn how to use it. So once they figure out there is water sitting in here, they usually try pushing in it and it'll get this thing moving and get some water in there. Anyway, rabbits are doing good. I was gonna scrape the slope barn today, but I think we'll do that probably Monday when it's a little nicer out. But look at these guys. Look at them back in there. Look at you guys. Oh yeah. And mama. Let's check the carrots. Yeah. I'm kind of losing hope on these carrots here. Better put some fuel in, I'm running close to E. Alright guys, so we're out in this is the lean-to off the shop. Entrance right over there. We are over by the corn planter, and today, at least right now, we are going to be taking all of these closing wheels off. As you can see, some of them wiggle, some of them don't move, and those are all signs of bearings being out. So every single one has something wrong with it, so we got to take them all off. It's been in pretty rough shape this year, so we got to get it fixed up, and I'm going to put it on a time lapse. The weirdest thing is happening right now. I am standing out from under the roof. You can hear the rain hitting the roof, but none's hitting me. So it's raining over there, but not right here. Strange. Anyway, we have, that would be 10. I got 2 that are seized on still. I gotta go get a hammer and probably a punch and try and work those loose. I'll do that off camera. And then, alright, so it stopped raining here, so I'm gonna see if I can catch this break, and I need to grind some feed. So I'm gonna get the 40-20 out, which it's warmed up now, and we're gonna go put the feed grinder on and get to it. Alright, let's start grinding corn. All done. I left it on. I'll do another batch on Monday. That way we can get through the whole next week. Funny, it's dirtier than yesterday when the time lapse was running. Anyway, I have to clean up all of this so that we can roll the Jeep out. We did my muffler and then realized the valve cover was broke and leaking oil. So we took it apart and we can't get one until next Thursday. So we are going to just roll it out for now because that 4440 has to come in here. And me and Dad are going to work on that one. Uncle Billy is refabricating the manure spreader right there. So that way, when the 4440 is done, hopefully then it can go on that manure spreader and we can start hauling some manure. So anyway, I'm going to turn you guys on a time lapse and show you guys doing this. And just like that, we are cleaned up on the Jeep. It's basically a game of shove it all out of the way and clean it up later. But anyway, now I'm gonna go get Dad to help me. I don't know if we're using the skid loader or what. I tried pushing it. It's gonna be pretty hard to push, and we're probably gonna put it over there. Alright guys, so I totally forgot the camera was sitting in the shop, so we got quite a bit more cleaning done in there. We started cleaning the office, which was just a nightmare. So many manuals and all of that stuff. So got a good start on that. So you guys will see that on Monday, and hopefully we'll continue to work out there. And yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. So hit that like button down below and subscribe if you're brand new. And until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye.